Looking for a way to enjoy your favorite fried foods without the guilt? The Dash Compact Air Fryer uses AirCrisp technology to reduce added fat by up to 80%, delivering crispy, flavorful results without the heavy oil. Plus, say goodbye to that lingering fried smell hours after you eat. It's healthier cooking without compromise. If you're short on time, this air fryer fits perfectly into your routine. Its 2-quart basket is easy to load, and with just a quick temperature and timer setting, you get crispy meals faster than preheating your oven. That means less waiting, less energy used, and food that's ready when you are. Whether it's chicken wings, French fries, or even baked goods, you'll get consistent, delicious results every time. Safety is a top priority here. The auto shutoff feature prevents overcooking, while the cool touch housing and handle keep things comfortable and secure during use. This makes it a worry-free addition to any kitchen, especially for those juggling busy schedules or cooking for picky eaters. What really sets the Dash Compact Air Fryer apart is its versatility and size. It's perfect for singles, small families, or anyone with limited kitchen space. Half the weight of a traditional fryer, it fits easily into apartments, dorms, or even your camper. And with its sleek design and trendy colors, it's as stylish as it is practical. One user shared their experience. Living alone, they wanted something that wouldn't heat up the whole house or take forever to cook. The Dash Air Fryer delivered perfectly crispy chicken thighs, juicy on the inside and crispy on the outside, and even handled frozen breaded tenders with ease. It's a small appliance that makes a big difference for anyone cooking for one. If you're ready to cut down on oil without sacrificing flavor, save time in the kitchen, and enjoy a compact, easy-to-use appliance, the Dash Compact Air Fryer is worth a look. It offers healthier meals, consistent results, and fits right into your lifestyle without fuss. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your cooking routine. Whether you're in a small space or just want faster, healthier meals, this air fryer delivers what you need: crispy, tasty food with less fat and less hassle.